Hello everyone, so first we are taking a ponytail, then we are going to loosen it up a little bit, then we are going to apply this pin at one side, then taking the remaining hair and then we are going to fold it out by using a black pin, or you can use any clip you want of your choice, and then your simple easy hairstyle is completed. Next we are going to take a ponytail, loosen it up, and then underneath it we are going to apply a pin at one side, and then taking the excess hair out we are going to join them into this bun, and then you can see your simple hairstyle is completed. You can add more accessories to it if you want. Next we are going to take a low ponytail and then applying this clip to them. Then we are going to fold it into this low bun and joining it with the same pin. Next we are going to take a low ponytail and then we are going to apply a clip underneath it. Then we are going to take the excess untied hair and joining it with the hair into a bun. Next we are going to take a ponytail, dividing it into two sections and then twisting them together and converting it into a bun, then securing it with this beautiful white clutcher. Next we are going to take hair from both the sides, joining it with the rubber band and then folding it. Then we are going to convert the hair into a ponytail. Then we are going to divide it into two sections, again followed by a rubber band in both of them. Then making a space in between, we are going to fold them together once. Then we are going to fold it to the hair we've made into that. After that we are going to apply this beautiful pin to our hairstyle. Next we are going to apply this pin to our hair. Then we are going to take a part of our hair from the middle, then folding it along with the pin. Then we are going to take hair from both of the sides and joining it into the opposite direction to the clip. Then taking the excess remaining hair and then joining it with the help of a bobby pin, and your hairstyle is completed. Next we are going to take a low ponytail and then by using this tool we are going to fold it to one of its side, and then we are going to take the excess hair and then folding it to the opposite side again with the help of a rubber band and this pin. Now you can apply any kind of clutchers of your choice. Here we've applied this beautiful pole clip. Next we are going to take a low ponytail and then applying this pin to it. Then at some space we are going to fold it out into this bun and then securing it with the same pin only. Next to our ponytail we are going to apply a pin underneath it, then taking the excess hair and then folding it out into a shape of this bun, and your simple yet beautiful hairstyle is ready.